In this video, we listed the 5 best compact treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Sunny Health Fitness Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Classic Performance Treadmill is a high-quality, durable piece of exercise equipment designed to enhance your fitness journey. Built with performance in mind, it offers speeds up to 10 miles per hour and 15 levels of automatic incline, allowing users to customize their workouts for maximum calorie burn and intensity. The treadmill features advanced cushioning technology to reduce joint impact, a spacious 19-inch by 52-inch running belt for comfort, and a digital monitor that tracks key workout metrics like time, speed, distance, heart rate, and calories burned. With 15 pre-installed workouts, 3 customizable user entries, and USB Bluetooth connectivity for music streaming, it provides an engaging and personalized experience. Its durable alloy steel construction ensures long-lasting reliability, while the folding design makes it ideal for home gyms with limited space. Easy to assemble and backed by over 20 years of excellence from Sunny Health and Fitness, this treadmill is perfect for adults looking to elevate their running workouts. Number 2. XTERRA Fitness Treadmill. The XTERRA treadmill is a high-quality, foldable exercise machine designed for residential use, ideal for adults seeking a convenient workout option. It features a durable alloy steel frame and offers a spacious 16 inches by 50 inches walking, running surface to accommodate users of various sizes and stride lengths. Powered by a 110V cord outlet, it can reach a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. The treadmill is equipped with an intuitive 5-inch LCD display, not backlit, that provides real-time updates on speed, incline, time, distance, calories burned, and pulse. With 12 preset programs and 3 manual incline settings, it offers a variety of workout options to suit different fitness levels. Additionally, the easy pull knob allows the deck to be folded or unfolded effortlessly for convenient storage when not in use. This treadmill combines functionality and practicality, making it an excellent choice for home fitness enthusiasts. Number 3. Goplus 2-in-1 Treadmill. The Goplus 2-in-1 folding treadmill is a versatile and innovative fitness solution designed for adults, offering 2 modes to cater to different exercise needs. When the riser is folded, it functions as a jogging machine with a speed range of 0.6 miles per hour to 2.5 miles per hour, and when the handrail is raised, it supports running speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour, powered by a quiet and efficient 2.25 HP motor. This treadmill is ideal for home or office use, featuring a sturdy steel frame and multi-layer shock-absorbing design for a safe and comfortable workout. The spacious non-slip running belt, 39.3 inches by 16 inches, provides ample cushioning for knees and muscles, while the multifunctional LED display tracks time, speed, distance, and calories in real time. Additional features include Bluetooth connectivity, a phone holder, remote control, battery not included, and app integration for enhanced convenience and entertainment during workouts. Its compact, foldable design with built-in transport wheels allows for easy storage and mobility, and it comes ready to use straight out of the box with no assembly required. Number 4. IPO Portable Treadmill. The IPO treadmill is a portable and electric-powered fitness device designed for adults, featuring a sturdy alloy steel frame. It supports a maximum weight of 120 kilograms and offers a speed range of 0.5 to 8.7 miles per hour, with a maximum speed of 8 miles per hour. The treadmill includes 12 programs and an LCD display for tracking metrics such as distance. It has a deck length of 40 inches and folds down to a compact size of 41 inches in length, making it space efficient. The treadmill weighs 109 pounds, 49.44 kilograms when packaged, and requires assembly. Its dimensions are 57 by 26 by 3.5 inches, and it operates with an input power of 120 watts. The package includes a user manual for easy setup and operation. With its sleek black design and practical features, the IPO treadmill is a versatile fitness solution for home use. Number 5. REDLIRO Under-Desk Treadmill. The REDLIRO 2-in-1 Foldable Treadmill is a versatile and compact exercise machine designed for both running and walking, making it ideal for home or office use. It features a quiet, high-power 2.5 HP motor and a shock-absorbing running belt made of PVC, fiber, and cotton yarn, ensuring reduced noise and improved stability. With a maximum speed of 7.5 miles per hour and a weight capacity of 265 pounds, it accommodates most users. Its foldable handrail transforms it into an underdesk treadmill, perfect for walking or jogging while working. The treadmill offers 12 preset programs and manual modes, allowing users to customize their workout by adjusting speed, distance, time, or calories via remote control. The LED display provides real-time data on time, calories, steps, speed, and distance, while a device holder adds convenience for watching TV or reading. Designed for easy assembly and portability, the treadmill's compact, slim design with wheels makes it space-saving and easy to store.